Just added some horsepower. What's that? That's got to be 40 horsepower right there. Oh, look at, oh, more horsepower. I don't know how much the blue tape gives me. Hey, what's going on? Well, it's been a week or so. Look what I did. Look at what I did. Why did I do that? What's going on, everybody? Back with a little update on the old Ranger. The old Lone Ranger. Oh, yep, this side's still green. Oh, man. So, getting some progress done. Got that all wired up. Fuel sender. Still need a vent that I need to run down. Got all my return line ran. My fuel pressure regulator that's taken 16 years to get here should be here today. So I've started doing some wiring. Let's go check it out. Got my Fuel Tech 450 Nano coil packs mounted, fuse box, relay packs, and then that's power distribution for constant power coming from the battery, and then up there is where my Nano and Fuel Tech harnesses are at, and I am in process of running the Nano. There's all my wiring for my sensors. I've got all the coils and all the fuel injectors hooked up. Fan relay ran, fuel pump is hooked up. Got the tree hooked up. Bam! Got the trees on my mirror so my car don't smell. Oh, Biscuit's been hanging out. Biscuit must be my car building buddy because he's been hanging out with me. He likes to crawl through that little hole right there and come in and lay on the seat when I'm just hanging out in here wiring. He wants to know where his race seat is. So let's go up front. Let's check this out. Look at what I did. Look at what I did. Oh, bam! Intercooler, baby. Look at that. Custom fabricated mounts. Put some nut zerts in here. In that plate, put some nut zerts in this here. Core support. Screwed it right down. Look at that. Oh, look at that. We got some piping ran. Oh boy. Ain't nothing fancy. Hopefully it doesn't blow off. It shouldn't. But and then I got some titanium wrap for the plug wires. Got some titanium wrap for the header. And my exhaust, it's going to come off right here. And that will come right around here and out that there fender. And then I'm going to put a piece of metal up over this. Probably cover it with some heat tape. Fuel pressure regulator, like I said before, is going to go back here hopefully somewhere. Because our return line is right there. Right here. And then we got to hook up sensors yet here. Sensors here. I got a Hall effect sensor. It's got to go down here on the cam trigger wheel deal. There's my wire for that. What else we got going on? We got to just hook up the fan to the Fuel Tech. Got to bleed the brakes. Got to put all the fluids in it. Need a battery. And a couple little hoses. I need to hook up my wastegate, and then my buddy's got, I'm handing my pipe to my buddy, and he's going to do the blow-off valve. Man, we're getting close, guys. We're getting there. We are getting there. I don't know, do you like the tan? You like the tan and red, or you like the green better? Kind of like it when it was all green. But, yeah, whatever. My buddy's he wants to paint it anyways, so maybe we'll just let him do that. But man, we are getting there. I think I might even be able to throw the dash back in. once I just like the skin of the dash, you know, like the shell, just so it doesn't look all open. It looks somewhat factory. Oh, I dropped my beams off to my other buddy, and he's blowing them apart, and we're gonna get them all powder coated up so we can slam this bad boy on the ground. Got my power wire. It's gonna come back into my bed, my power and ground for like relays. Let's see what else is down here. Anything? Oh, a fuel pump. Got my fuel pump wired up all the way back. Got these. See what I mean? There he is again. Kitty, get your tail out of the way. I'm trying to do a video. Got these cool little mounts that hold my fuel line, and normally they just hold them together, but I bought extra long bolts to put a nut zert so they kind of hold it right to the frame. Pretty BA. Run all the way up there. Got my drive shaft I gotta put in yet. Yeah. We're getting there, man. We're freaking getting there. Stay tuned. Hopefully, within the month here, we'll be firing this bad boy up for the first time. Oh my God, for the first time. Fingers crossed. Like I said, I still gotta bleed everything yet. Coolant in it. Finish off my charge pipes. Boy, I'm getting excited. I'm getting excited. Well, I appreciate you guys hanging out. Staying up with what's going on. Hopefully we'll be doing burnout soon. Oh, and gotta shout out my Tim Hortons guys. My #1 YouTube fans. Just want to shout out to old Danny and Noah. You make me proud every day when I come to get my coffee. Alright guys, rally on.